see the problem. Two tanks are connected as in following figure, both containing water. Tank A is at 200 kilopascal. Specific volume B is equal to 0.5 meter cube per kg, and volume of the tank VA is equal to 1 meter cube. And tank B contains 3.5 kg at 0.5 megapascal and 400 degrees centigrade. The valve is now opened and the two tanks come to a uniform state. Find the final specific volume. So let us write down the informations we have from the problem. So PA is equal to pressure at a tank A is equal to 200 kilopascal. And the specific volume at A is equal to 0.5 meter cube per kg. And the volume of A, that is capital V, I will write like this. It is given 1 meter cube. So I can write that mass of water in tank A and A is equal to total volume of the tank VA divided by the specific volume, which is coming out to be 1 by 1 meter cube by 0.5. It is specific volume, so 0.5 is equal to 2 kg. Okay. Now for B, PB is equal to 0.5 megapascal, which is equal to 500 kilopascal. Mass of water in tank B is given, and B is equal to 3.5 kg. And temperature is also given, TB is equal to 400 degrees centigrade. Now we need to find out the volume of V. Volume of tank. Specific volume, let me say specific volume. Specific volume of water in the tank. Specific volume water in B, BV is equal to what? So for that we need to look into the table. So pressure is given, temperature is also given. So let us look into those tables. So if we look into the table of pressure wise, pressure wise, so it is 500 kilopascal. So in 500 kilopascal, let me highlight this so that it will be easy to show it. So I am showing the pressure wise saturation table. This is table B.1.2 and pressure wise. Pressure wise, if I go, first column is the pressure, second column is the temperature, saturation temperature. So 500 kilopascal showing, which is 0.5 megapascal, is 151.86 degrees centigrade. But our temperature is more than that, it is 400 degrees centigrade. So we must look into the table for superheated vapor. So superheated vapor table is table B.1.3. So here it is superheated table. Table B.1.3, and for 500 kilopascal, again showing saturation temperature is equal to 151.86 degrees centigrade. So, and for 400 degrees centigrade, specific volume is 0.61728. Okay, so that specific volume we will take. So BB is equal to 0. So we have the value is equal to, from the table, from table 4B.1.3, yes, 3. Specific volume of water in tank B is equal to 0.61728 meter cube per kg. So from this information, total mass, and from information specific volume of tank, tank B is equal to mass of water and specific volume. So I have very less space, so let me utilize this space. So VB I find, VB is equal to, that is the capital V is equal to mass is 3.5 into 0. How much is the value? 61728 is equal to, coming out to be how much? 2.16048 in meter cube, and this volume was how much? V of V was 1 meter cube. So now we have informations like that: volume of A, volume of B, this value, mass of A, here we have calculated, and mass of B given. So question become very easy. Specific volume of the mixture, when they this valve is opened and everything mixed together, and finally uniform state comes. That time the specific volume we can write like this. The question was to find out the specific volume of final state. Oh, this is final volume VA is 1 plus we got 2.16048 divided by MA we found 2 kg and here it was 3.5. So how much is the value? Find it out, okay? So is equal to 3.16048 divided by 5.5. This will be that in meter cube per kg. Whatever comes, okay? I am not going to calculate this one. So specific volume will get. Now my open question to all students is to, can you find out by whatever information we have from there, what will be the state of the final water? For state only specific volume is not sufficient. We also need some other either pressure or temperature. Final temperature or final pressure we need. So if we get final pressure or final temperature and we have the specific volume whatever comes, then we will be able to say the final state of that, what is called state, okay? So you just think and answer me tomorrow. How can you find out that? That's it for today. Thank you. See you tomorrow.